Just tell us the amazing things because everybody is just overwhelmed by the mastery of the master himself, Master Nnamdi Kanu. The north seems to be quiet. Everybody is quiet. The southeast governors is quiet. Everywhere is quiet. People are still digesting the mystery behind Nnamdi Kanu roaring in the court that saw Justice Binta Nyako, celebrating the collapse, of course, of that judgment to the Chief Justice of the Federation.
God bless you, and God bless you, and God bless you once again. I remain the faithful, humble servant, Evangelist Benjamin Johnson, Esesinachi, your only Biafra evangelist, who stand on the truth and to speak the truth to the end and ready to die by the truth. Now hear this. I used to say something that the Nnamdi Kanu operate from the realm of the spirit. He's a spirit being, but manifest in a human coat. It's not somebody you can just pack one side. And the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is 1 in a million. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is what? 1 in a million. With what happened on Tuesday, what plays on Tuesday, shows to you and I, to everyone, not just only in Nigeria, not just in the Northerners, the Yorubas, and every other part of the country, worldwide, both in Africa and international bodies, they marveled of what happened on Tuesday, because this is a lecturer that they have been keeping hidden, thinking that they know what they are doing. But that Tuesday, he made both the judge, both Nigeria, both the lawyer, both the law, both the son, everybody calm down and listen to the word of the wise man. Because all this while he has been allowing his lawyer, they have been a kind of using political words in terms of as a lawyer, a kind of, to challenge and to compete and to argue. But this time around, he proved to them that Odogu carried Odogu. Man pass man. Senior pass senior. In every categories of life, we have senior, we have junior. And in this level, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the most senior. Nyako is the average. Then other sons and the rest are the bottom. And that is what is has proven. On Tuesday, in the court of law, he lectured Nigeria, he quoted Nigerian law, explained it to Nigerians, to the lawyer and to the judge. And for us, to my own point of view, even the judge herself, they not even know that she herself has violated the law of the land. Nigeria that kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not even know that they themselves have violated the law of their country by saying that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, one of their allegations that he violated the law in England, is part of the allegation. And when he now decided to let them know that the people who have the right to prosecute him based on that violation was not Nigeria, but rather the UK. And the next sitting, they remove it. That is to tell you they don't know what they are doing. They go against their law, and then Nnamdi Kanu lectured them. Bring their memory back. They lost it. Although I'm not surprised because the Mr. President have lost memory. He has a loss of memory. I believe that is why the country is going to this hard. That's why the country is going like this, and he knows not, he has nothing to do, and he knows nothing to do, and he don't know how to fix it because it's beyond his mental understanding, reasoning. The structure has failed. Are you getting it? So therefore, that is why Mr. Lecturer in the court of law decided to lecture the world what they don't know. And from there, he led them to understand, everyone to understand that in Nigeria being the kidnapping country that kidnapped him, now, as it is now, they have violated the UN law. They violated the UN law. They have violated it. So, definitely, if you want to judge somebody like him, you, Mr. Judge, should be first of all judged for violating the law before you judge another person. So Binta Nyako has violated the law. So Nyako should be judged first before she will stand up to judge Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Nigeria should be judged before Nigeria will begin to try Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Nigeria need to face trial first. No wonder. Oh my God, it was fun. It was fun. It's good to be in the midst or to be around somebody that is well educated, somebody that is well informed, so that you will not be deformed. Because if you are not well informed, you will be deformed. If you don't have accurate message, you will mismanage the message. And that was what Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, 1 in a million, Odogu carried Odogu. He has proven it to Nigeria. That join Nigeria, all Nigeria are together with their lecturers, come together, and their lawyers, their judge, their magistrate, what they call itself, the supreme, the president, down to the normal human being. They don't have the criteria to withstand this. One of his spoken word intellectually. Because, there is something he said. He said, you journalists, that is to tell you what he said, you journalists, go and read, go and study, know the law of your country. He said he will prove it to you. And there is something he said. He said they cannot be open the trial again.
Because of the Supreme Court judgment.
Because the Supreme Court, which is the highest court of the land, have passed the judgment that they have given me freedom.
What am I doing here?
What am I doing here? So you people doesn't have what it takes. Are you getting it? Standing on this, he says he's not doing, he has no business. In fact, I don't have confidence in people. Are you getting it? When the Mrs. George looked at the statement he finished, she found out that this man is more than what we are. Like, this man is above. He's above all of us, because everybody, including his lawyers and every other lawyer, all of them. I saw one. He folded his hands like this. Mr. Lecturer, lecture me. And he was listening while Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was lecturing him, and he was learning. Hey!
It was, yeah, it's a fact.
I said I watched it, I followed it up. He was listening and he was receiving serious lecture from his master. Somebody will go school pass you, will get brain pass you, will smart pass you, then you
Is it the kind of trap? I just say, well, everybody just.
There is something he said. No, there is something he said.
Is it not kind of said that kind of trap to mesmerize Nigerian government or what? Because everybody's quiet. All the whole corners, the north is quiet, south is quiet, southwest is quiet. Everybody's just quiet.
They have to be quiet because there is something he said. He said, "I will end it. I will be the end of Nigeria." He said it before. He said, I'm going to end Nigeria. He said it before he was kidnapped. He said it. He's going to end Nigeria. And this is evidence of it. The whole world have seen it, that Nigeria is a floater. That is, which language, which English? English man, please help me.
He's in coma.
Okay, coma. Nigeria is in coma. Should I use the word coma?
Emergency unit.
Emergency confusion. They are emergently confused because they have found themselves in the state of stupidity. They have found themselves in the state of foolishness because they have been fooled and they have been stupidly mesmerized themselves. That is it. You see, that Tuesday was an open eye to international bodies and to local bodies. That was why, including Mr. President, down to the people in the floor, could not say anything, for they have nothing to say.
The Southeast governors are quiet, signaling submission. Yes, submission to superior, logic. Yes. Nnamdi Kanu represents that symbol. But a lot of Africans, if you go to some African countries, the entire social media, everywhere, both outside Nigeria, Africa, West Africa, East Africa, all of them are boozing on Mazin Nnamdi Kanu.
Odogwu karịrị odogwu, odogwu karịrị odogwu, odogwu karịrị odogwu, odogwu karịrị odogwu. There is an adage my people used to say, isi na isi ira mana mmadụ karịrị ibe ya. Are you hearing me? Isi na isi ira mana mmadụ mere gịnị karịrị ibe ya. That is what it has proven to the world, both Africa and outside, that he is qualified for what he's fighting for. He knows what he's doing. He's fighting for his right. There is something I want you to understand. It is a game. He set Nigeria up, and Nigeria fell into the trap. Because this is the way to end Nigeria before the world. And that is what he has done. He has ended Nigeria before the world. Nigeria is nothing before the world.
The Middle Belt, they are facing Islamization, Fulani attack. The Middle Belt. Some of them are trying to extend their hand to Biafrans, knowing fully well it has become very clearly, that the Biafra has risen and they want to be part of that kingdom, that nation. What do we want to tell some of these people? And recently too, we are looking at Amazonia. The Ando, the one of the names, the man fighting for freedom of Amazonia was arrested yesterday, and it led to a shootout between Bakassi Biafran forces, and the Biafran, the Cameroonian gender along the Bakassi border, and the man is still insisting that Amazonia is part of Biafra. What do you want to tell the people of Cameroon, ever since the man was arrested?
Cameroonians should remove their hand. That land does not belong to Nigeria. It is a Biafra land. You cannot take another person's property in exchange of yourself. One day the owner of the property will come for it. And you being fooled by Nigeria, why not then use Lagos or Seaport here to give you? Why not go to Ogun State or Ibadan and give you, or part of the north and give you? Why must it be in Igbo land? It is a Biafra land, not Nigerian land. And the owners of the land has come to take what belongs to them. And it is our right.
Thank you.